Common information sheet for Schengen visa applicants in India. What is a Schengen short stay visa? It is an authorization issued by one of the member states of the Schengen area with a view to transit through, or an intended stay in the territory of the member states of duration of no more than 90 days, short stay in any 180-day period. The processing of visa applications is based on the Visa Code Regulation, EC number 810/2009 of the European Parliament and of the Council of July 13, 2009. Last amended by Regulation EU 2019/1155 of June 20, 2019. Information given below is also based on this regulation. Which countries issue Schengen visa? There are currently 26 European countries in the Schengen area, 22 of which are member states of the European Union below with. These 26 countries share a common legal framework, and there are no checks on the borders between them. The countries issuing Schengen visas are Austria, Belgium, the Czech Republic, Denmark, Estonia, Finland, France, Germany, Greece, Hungary, Iceland, Italy, Latvia, Liechtenstein, Lithuania, Luxembourg, Malta, the Netherlands, Norway, Poland, Portugal, Slovakia, Slovenia, Spain, Sweden, and Switzerland. More information on the Schengen area can be obtained visiting the following website: www.ec.europa.eu/home-affairs/what-we-do-policies/borders and visas Schengen index on HTM. What types of Schengen visa exist? Short stay visas, uniform visa. The holder of a uniform visa is allowed to travel to the states mentioned above for a period not exceeding 90 days during any 180-day period. In order to calculate the period of allowed stay, the applicant can consult the short stay calculator available on the website of the Directorate General for Home Affairs of the European Commission. Visa with limited territorial validity. The holder of a visa with limited territorial validity is allowed to travel to the states indicated on the visa sticker, but not to any of the other Schengen states. Airport transit visa. The holder of an airport transit visa is allowed to transit through the international transit areas of the issuing state and possible other states, if indicated on the visa sticker. Airport transit visa is required by the nationals of Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Democratic Republic of Congo, Zaire, Eritrea, Ethiopia, Ghana, Iran, Iraq, Nigeria, Pakistan, Somalia, and Sri Lanka. Please note that some member states can require airport transit visas for Indian nationals. A list can be found here. Please note that long-stay visas are issued according to the national regulations of each member state. All relevant information can be obtained from the diplomatic or consular missions of the member states. Useful information can also be obtained via the EU immigration portal.